Hello and welcome back to the channel How to Set Info, and today I'll tell you how to get free things on AliExpress. First of all, let's start by exploring free gift section. This is a special area on AliExpress where sellers offer products absolutely for free. So here you can see a list of products that marked as free, and the concept is to pick 2 products, and for the third item you will have to pay. So let me select 2 items that will be free for me. And now the last step is to pick one more product for which I'm going to pay. Let it be this one. Okay, so now that I'm having my 3 items in my cart, I'm going to check out, and I can clearly see that these 2 items will be free for me, and the third item I'm going to pay for. And if I scroll a little bit down to the summary, I can see that instead of paying $7, in my case $7.78, I will pay only $1. So this is really nice way if you want to save some money on AliExpress and also get some free stuff. And the second way how we can get free stuff is by checking out section that is called Freebies and Reviews. But actually on my device it is called a little bit different. So here this is the section. You can have this problem as well, so don't panic if you don't see your option that is exactly called Freebies and Reviews. So you just have to look through all these functions and finally find this Freebies and Reviews section. So this is area in AliExpress where sellers give you products for $0, and in return you have to leave reviews for these items. So here you can see a list of products that have been put up for this freebie and reviews promotion. You can select any, like literally any product that you want to receive and then later review. But my recommendation is that you have to stick to offers with fewer applicants. So for example, for this item 29 people already applied, but for example for this one only 6 people applied. So try avoiding this competition as much as you can. So when you finally decided which item you want to receive, tap this orange apply button, then submit some terms and conditions, and wait until you're basically selected for this program, and receive your item, and in the very end leave a review for it. So that were main 2 ways how you can get free stuff on AliExpress, and I really hope this video helped you, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel to see more content just like this.